Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Max Saparis.
Well, we're tallying our 90-degree days so far this year. We're up to 3. That's through today's date. Last year through today's date, 2 days at or above 90, and the average through today is around 3 days. So we're keeping up with par, but we're going to get well above average because obviously today we're honing in on our 4th day above 90, and I have many more in the 7-day forecast. Through the year, we pick up 9 days on average at or above 90. Temps right now getting close. We're at 86 right now, and of course have several more hours of heating to go. Feels like temp of 91. Feels like 94 in Janesville with an actual temp of 88. 84 in Montello feels like 89. So you get the idea. Plenty of heat, plenty of humidity as well. And eventually that humidity going to give way to a few scattered showers and storms later this afternoon and evening. Those should start to dwindle in size and number by sunset. Dew point is the measure of humidity, and we're back to steamy levels. That's how it was yesterday, and that's how it's going to be through at least Thursday. Friday's kind of our transition day out of the humidity, and the weekend looking more comfortable with dew points about 10 degrees lower, so much more comfortable. Until then, make sure to take some precautions. We want you to apply the sunblock generously and keep the sunglasses handy too. Water bottles handy, and stay inside or take breaks from the outdoor heat if you can, or at least in shady spots. And before exiting your vehicle, make sure to check the back seat for the kids and the pets out there. A hot trend, we're going to get even hotter tomorrow in the low and mid 90s. Thursday, similarly hot. And then we fall back to the 80s heading into the upcoming weekend. How about the heat index, though? That's going to feel about 5 degrees hotter today. Tomorrow, we're going to approach the 100-degree mark for how it feels on the skin when you factor in the humidity. Takes us into the weekend to watch the heat index fall as the humidity falls. Temps, at least when it comes to the outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, showing a high chance for above average temps locally, and it looks like we'll be in a slightly drier than average trend, and this goes for the next 2 weeks. So we get a little bit of a reprieve from the heat this weekend, but I expect it to resurge through next work week as well. Let's check out the Badger State. Rather quiet when it comes to sky conditions. I was tracking a couple local showers in northern Juneau County. Those have fizzled away. The main piece of energy is still off to the west, but that should stir up our atmosphere enough to trigger a few more of those pop-up showers and storms, because that's that boundary that's coming closer to home that'll fire them up. So again, a few scattered storms as we head through the second half of your Tuesday. Then the warm front lifts back north. That'll reinforce the heat, allowing us to climb even hotter tomorrow, and will still be humid, but rain-free it looks like. Soonest opportunity for a couple of those storms will be around 1 in the afternoon. We'll see them flare up by the evening drive and continue to see a few more of those by around 9 o'clock or 10. Most of this activity should be fizzling out. And then we'll have a little bit of valley fog to deal with tomorrow morning. So 91 degrees today, hot and humid with a few scattered showers and storms expected. 71 tonight with some areas of fog possible. And we'll get to the low and mid 90s, shooting for a high of 93 tomorrow with heat index values getting close to the century mark. 7-day forecast, scattered storms expected again Thursday and Thursday night. A few more possible Friday. And there's the weekend forecast. More pleasant with temps still warm, but cooler in the mid to upper 80s, and certainly less humid. In Caroline, that's what's going to make it feel much more comfortable.
Definitely.
Because 91 with low humidity is one thing, but the fact that we are just sweating weather out there for now, the weekend's going to be nice.
It's like when you walk out and you feel like you're swimming in the air.
Immediately need a shower.
Absolutely. Max, thank you.
Yep.